Okay, everyone. I was thinking why we are on our notebook because I think we need an strategy to hold our money and to trade. Because if we don't have a strategy, we are going to lose all the money at once or make it big at once. Because of that, we are going to create some rules. That rules are going to help us. One of the rules I really like it is that never trade more than 10% of your money. It's good because why? Because when you work like this, never your money going to end and you can always come back. Let me give you an example. For example, we start with $100 and when we lose we have $19 and when we lose we have $81. We are always going to lose less to our, we never go bankrupt or become liquid. It's a good rule. I like it and we are going to use it. I think it's one of the best rules I created. And I don't create it, many of the people are using them. And the second rule I'm going to create that always have a stop loss. What is a stop loss? Let me create an example for you to understand better what is a stop losses. Let's say this is our chart. This is our price chart. Here is price. Here is what we call it date, for example. Now, for example, let's see if we buy our money here. Here we buy at the price, for example, at price 100, we buy it. Then we think about that the chart is going up to here. It's going down and it's going up to here. And then up to here. We are going to sell on 200 and make lots of money. But we are predicting, and this is not something logical or some of you may think it's always going to happen. It's not going to happen always. And think about the chart is not going like this way. When you don't put a stop loss, the chart is going down, 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 down. And when you here make all of your hope out of it, you buy the sell at $10 and make $190 in loss. But if you put a stop loss here, let's say we buy here, we say if the price come down of it, we are going to sell like 80. Then what happened when the price come here, you sell at 80 and only make $20 in loss. The stop loss is very good and we are going to need it. At third, we are going to create, we now has a stop loss and has what we say, has how much money we are going to use in a single trade. But they are good, but not enough. Because why? Because when you are going to trading, before starting your trade, you are some logical person and do everything in logic. But when you create your position or open it, you are going to work like you are an emotional person and your money is down, you get stressed and you get freaked out. What you are going to do in that positions? Because of that, we create another rules. Let's call it no emotions. You see, it's ridiculous. You can't have no emotions. Sometimes you have emotions and make mistakes. Because of that, we create a rules that call set the out price first. What does it mean? It means when you are going to start your trading, for example, let me create another chart here too. Again, we have a chart like this. For example, we buy here. Buy here. When we buy here, we think the price is going up. But how up? How much it's going to be worth? Because of that, we are going to set the out price first. When we are going to buy, we are going to set three prices. One price, three prices. One, buy. Two, a stop loss. Three, take profit. Okay, it means when we start a trade, we put these three prices. Buy, we buy here. We set the stop loss here. We are going to get out of the chart here. And we are going to take a profit here. Some of you may say, if you take profit here, the chart is going up and you are going to make a lot of loss and you're so stupid, oh, blah, 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 blah. But the problem is that we are going to learn about this take profit is not as easy as you think. I'm going to tell you about more about this in the next lessons. But just for now, don't forget this is not a course and I'm not going to teach you how to trade. It's my experience and trading journey, and what I'm going to do is just sharing my experience and expanding it to myself become a trader, not to make you traders. Okay, until the next lessons, next video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my videos and my way of trading. I'm not started, I'm just preparing the first things we need. But if you like, just ask me. I'm going to tell you any question you have in the comments. Until then, have a good time.